In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google AdSense password. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into the steps. First things first, you need to head over to the Google AdSense website. Once you're on the home page, locate the Sign In button at the top right. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter the email and current password associated with your AdSense account. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're using the right one. After signing in, you'll land on your AdSense dashboard. In the upper right corner, you should see your profile icon or picture. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select My Account or Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to the main settings for your Google account. Once you're in your Google account settings, look for the Security tab. Click on that to access your security settings. Here you'll find various options to help protect your account. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Signing into Google. Inside this section, you will find the option to change your password. Go ahead and click on Password. At this point, Google will want to ensure that you are who you say you are, so you'll need to re-enter your current password. This is just a safety measure to protect your account. Once you've entered your current password, it's time to create a new, strong password. Choose something that's secure and not easily guessable. It's generally recommended to mix letters, numbers, and special characters. After you've typed in your new password, you'll need to confirm it by typing it again in the designated field. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, click on the Save button to finalize the changes. And just like that, your password has been updated. Remember, changing this password will also update your login credentials for all other Google services connected to your account, so be sure to keep that in mind. Now, it's also important to take a moment to think about security going forward. If you haven't done so already, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Google account for an added layer of security. This can help keep your account safe from unauthorized access. And that's all there is to it. Changing your Google AdSense password is a simple process, but it's crucial for maintaining the security of your account. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below.